Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Our lesson for today is all about factoring linear equations. To factor a number means to write it as a product of its factors. A monomial can be factored using the same method you would use to factor a number. The greatest common factor, or GCF, of two monomials is the greatest monomial that is a factor of both. The greatest common factor also includes any variables that the monomials have in common. To understand further our lesson for today, let's study the following examples. What is the GCF of 30 and 40? What is your answer? Alright, the GCF of 30 and 40 is 10. If we're going to use these numbers in a monomial, what is the GCF of 30x and 40xy? What is your answer? Alright, the answer is equal to 10x. 10 is the greatest common factor of 30 and 40, and x is the common factor of x and xy. Another one, what is the GCF of 25 and 15? Alright, the answer is equal to 5. What is the GCF of 25a and 15a? What is the answer? Alright, the answer is equal to 5a. Another one, what is the GCF of 16 and 24? So, the greatest common factor of 16 and 24 is, alright, it is 8. What is the GCF of 16ABC and 24AB? What is your answer? Yes, you are right. The answer is equal to 8AB. 8 is the greatest common factor of 16 and 24, and AB is the common factor of ABC and AB. Another one, what is the GCF of 54 and 81? What is your answer? Alright, the greatest common factor of 54 and 81 is 27. What is the GCF of 54x cubed and 81x squared? What is your answer? Very good. The answer is equal to 27x squared. Another set of examples. Find the GCF of each pair of monomials. The first one is 7y and 21y. What is the greatest common factor of these two monomials? Yes, you are right. The answer is equal to 7y. Next example, 15b and 20b. Alright, it is 5b. The third one is 3xy and 6y. Alright, it is 3y. Another one, 36mn and 27n. So, what is the greatest common factor of 36 and 27? Alright, it is 9. The common factor of mn and n is n. So, our greatest common factor of 36mn and 27n is 9n. We already know how to find the greatest common factor of the monomials. Now, let's apply it. Let's factor its expression. So, how are we going to factor its expression? Alright, to factor a number means to write it as a product of its factors. A monomial can be factored using the same method you would use to factor a number. Okay, this is our first example. 15cd minus 35c. So to factor this expression, first is we're going to get the greatest common factor of 50cd and 35c, which is equal to 5c. Then we're going to write it as a product of its factors. So we divide this by 5c each term. So 50cd divided by 5c is equal to 10d. negative 35c divided by 5c is equal to negative 7. So our answer is 5c times the quantity of 10d minus 7. Another example, 8ab plus 18a. What is the greatest common factor of 8ab and 18a? Alright, it is 2a. We divide each of the terms by 2a and we're going to write it as a product of its factors. Alright, so 8ab divided by 2a, this is equal to 4b. Positive 18a divided by 2a is equal to positive 9. Therefore, our answer is equal to 2a times the quantity of 4b plus 9. Another example, 15 plus 3z. What is the greatest common factor of 15 and 3z? Alright, it is 3. So we divide it by 3 each term and put it as a product of its factors. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 3z divided by 3 is equal to z. So our answer is equal to 3 times the quantity of 5 plus z. Next example, 60xy minus 15x. So what is the GCF of 60xy and 15x? Alright, it is 15x. Then divide it by 15. Then write as a product of its factors. So 60xy divided by 15x is equal to 4y. Negative 15x divided by 15x is equal to negative 1. Therefore, our answer is equal to 15x times the quantity of 4y minus 1. I hope that you understand our lesson for today, and thank you for watching.